live wallpaper on Windows. So if you want to set live wallpaper on your Windows, then just watch this video. So first, you need to have the application, which is Lively Wallpaper, which is also available on your Microsoft Store. So go with your Microsoft Store and then search for Lively Wallpaper, and then just simply go and install it. Now, after installing, you need to click on Open, and you will get this kind of interface. Now, from here, you'll have the Lively Wallpapers. So for example, I'll just simply go with the fluids right here. You need to click on it, or just simply go with the three dots right here, and then you can go with Set as Wallpaper, and the wallpaper has been set. You can also customize the wallpaper if you want to. Just simply click on Customize, and then you'll be able to customize the audio visualizer or random splash like the fluids, and then the quality, the sim resolution, density diffusion, velocity diffusion, pressure, and many more. You can go with OK, which will be in the bottom, and that's it. In this way, you'll be able to set a live wallpaper on your Windows, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.